20 fun riddles for geniuses only. Today you'll face fun riddles, tricky choices, and brain challenges. Before we start, comment your country below. Let's see which country has the smartest kids. Only 1% people can solve all of them. Are you one of them? Let's see how smart you are. Let the challenge begin. The first challenge. Who will survive? Think carefully. This riddle looks super easy, but most people still get it wrong. The person in front of the fire hydrant will survive because water won't kill them instantly. The bull and the cliff are both instant dangers. Did you get that one right? Comment below. Next challenge. Who's the cheater? Look carefully. Don't look anywhere else. Keep your eyes on the screen. The cheater is number 3. If you look closely, the answers are written on his wrist. That's why number 3 is the cheater. Next challenge. Choose your dinner for tonight. No cheating allowed. You must choose only one from here. Hurry up and pick what you want for dinner tonight. Did you choose the cold leftover pizza or the soggy cereal with no milk? Comment your answer below. Next challenge. Who is 100 years old? This is the easiest riddle ever. Just look carefully and you'll find the answer. Yes, you're right. The man in the suit is actually 100 years old because if you look at the photo on the wall behind him, the same man appears in a very old black and white photograph. He hasn't aged a single day. Did you guess it right? Next challenge. Who broke the vase? Look carefully. The answer is right in front of your eyes. The second child broke the vase because if you look closely at their shoes, there are tiny ceramic pieces stuck to them and their hands are hidden behind their back. Great observation, little buddy. Next challenge, your painful choice. Would you rather eat an entire jar of peanut butter with no water or wear wet socks for an entire day? I know this one is difficult, but you must choose one. Would you choose the peanut butter or the wet socks? Comment your choice below. Next challenge, who will win this arm wrestling match? Look closely. It seems easy, but think carefully. The answer is the boy on the right. His mysterious energy gives him the strength to defeat the giant. Did you get it right? Let us know in the comments. Next challenge. Who has the most followers? Look carefully. You've probably seen this kind of clue before. The woman on the far left has the most followers because behind her on the wall, you can see a golden play button. That is awarded to creators after crossing a very high subscriber milestone. Next challenge. Who is the thief? Look closely. The thief is the person on the right because if you look very closely at their jacket pocket, a sparkling diamond necklace is clearly sticking out. Next challenge. Who would you save first? This one is tricky. Look very carefully. The first priority should be the person underwater because they have the least amount of time. Who did you choose first? Let us know in the comments. Next challenge. Who is in danger? It looks difficult at first, but with a little smart thinking, you can solve it. The person in the yellow jacket is in danger because the tree branch above them is cracked and about to fall. The others are all standing in safe spots. Did you spot that tiny crack? Next challenge. Find the odd emoji. This is both fun and tricky. Can you spot the odd one out? Look at every single emoji very carefully. The odd emoji is the one that doesn't match the rest. Did you find it? Awesome! You found the sneaky odd one. Next challenge, who pranked the teacher? If you've ever been a student, you can definitely solve this one, so look carefully. The third student on the right pranked the teacher. because if you look at their backpack pocket, you can see a whoopee cushion sticking out. And the teacher's chair has a suspicious bump on it. Has anyone ever pranked your teacher? Comment below. Next challenge, who has a secret? The answer is right in front of your eyes, so look very carefully. The person on the left has a secret, because if you look at the reflection in the window behind them, their reflection is showing a completely different expression. Reflections never lie. Did you catch that sneaky detail? Next challenge, who is fake rich? Small details matter, so look carefully at everything. The person in the middle is fake rich, because their designer bag has the logo spelled incorrectly, and their watch has no brand name on the dial. Meanwhile, the other two have genuine expensive items. Next challenge, who is planning an escape? This one is super easy. You can definitely solve it. The person in cell number 2 is planning an escape, because if you look carefully at the floor, there is a small hole being dug underneath the bed, and there is fresh dirt on their shoes. Did you solve it? Comment below. Next challenge, find 3 differences. Can you find out the 3 sneaky differences between these 2 photos? Did you spot them all? They're right here, here, and over here. Next challenge, who is the real father of this little boy? Look carefully. The correct answer is number 2. If you look closely, the boy has the same curly hair, a very similar smile. Did you get it right? Next challenge, who is the ghost? Look carefully at all 4 people. One of them is not human. The correct answer is number 4. If you look closely at the floor, everyone has a visible shadow except number 4. So number 4 is the ghost. Next challenge, who is the fake police officer? Look carefully at all 4 officers. The correct answer is number 4. If you look closely, the first 3 officers have standard police badges and equipment, but number 4 has a different badge shape on the chest. And just like that, we solved all 20 challenges together. Did you beat every single challenge? Comment your score below. If you enjoyed today's adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next challenge.